welcome to K-Food and Beyond. Today, I'd like to introduce the Garden of Morning Calm. I went there in mid-June and it was perfect to enjoy the calm but beautiful garden. It takes about an hour by car from Seoul. If you use public transportation, you can get off the subway at Cheongpyeong Station on the Gyeongchun line and take a city bus or a taxi. The admission fee is about $10 per adult, but it's totally worth visiting. This place is beautiful with various landscapes throughout the 4 seasons. And when I visited, the Hydrangea Festival was held and it will continue until July 3rd. As the COVID-19 pandemic slowed down, I thought we could return to ordinary daily life before the pandemic. However, the news we have heard recently, such as Ukraine war, interest rate hikes, and high inflation, makes us depressed. So I hope this video will be able to relax your eyes and minds with beautiful flowers and green trees. This garden is really big, so it took me about 2 hours to look around this garden while walking and resting. You can easily find pretty benches where you can sit and rest. As visitors made wishes, they made a pagoda valley, which is spectacular. I hope all the wishes come true. Even the trash can is decorated with flowers. So lovely. Walking along the street, you can see a traditional Korean house which has a small garden, and 장독대, which is a group of earthenware jars where Koreans used to store fermented sauces including soy sauce and red pepper paste. There are cafes and a restaurant in this garden, so you can drink coffee and tea with some bread or have a meal. If you are looking for a place to rest peacefully in the hustle and bustle of Seoul, visit this garden and take a walk while breathing fresh air and listening to nature. Plus, like many people taking pictures here, you can get great pictures no matter when you visit. I hope you had some time to relax while watching this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time, please.